Hi friends, welcome back. Today we have got a XUV700 in-house for a complete paint protection film. Friends, on this car we have applied a complete Garware Premium with 8 years warranty wala paint protection film. You can see the gloss. Actually it's raining very heavily in Pune, but still in spite of all this thing you can still see the gloss of the car. You can see the overall installation of the car. It's really spectacular. Along with that friends, we have also installed a Llumar Air film for the front windshield. Along with that friends, we have also installed a Llumar Air film for the front windshield. And nevertheless, we have added on this NSV Curtains in this vehicle. You can see the installation, you can see the fitment, it's really good. It comes from a brand called NSV and it's absolutely customized, made for this XUV700. So along with the PPF and the films, with the curtains, we have also added on these door visors. These are genuinely made for XUV700. They have got an imprint here, you can see it very closely. Overall, the job of this vehicle, especially the PPF, is done really beautiful. The car has got a wonderful shine and it's got no error code whatsoever. The finishing is fabulous. So friends, for any of such a requirement, you can always contact Bafna Cars. We have got the best of best solution to offer. Thank you so much. Thank you so very much. Stay tuned for the next.